Winter can be a challenging time for our plants. Freezing temperatures and harsh weather conditions can cause damage and even kill delicate plants. No worries, in this video, we will show you some effective techniques to protect your plants from frost and harsh winter conditions. One of the best ways to protect your plants is by using frost cloths. These lightweight fabrics act as a barrier, insulating the plants and preventing frost from forming on their leaves. Simply drape the cloth over your plants and secure it with stakes or clips, ensuring it covers all areas. Remember to water your plants adequately. Hydrated plants are less likely to suffer from frost damage. However, be cautious not to overwater, as excess moisture can lead to root rot. Another great method is mulching. By adding a thick layer of organic mulch around the base of your plants, you create an extra layer of insulation. This helps to regulate soil temperature and protect the roots from freezing. Remember to avoid piling mulch directly against the stems and leaves to prevent rotting. Creating a windbreak can shield your plants from cold winds, which can exacerbate frost damage. A windbreak acts as a barrier, reducing the impact of harsh winds and creating a more sheltered environment for your plants. Planting trees or installing a fence can serve as effective windbreaks. Moving indoors, it's important to regulate the temperature and humidity. Place your potted plants away from cold drafts, radiators, and heaters. You can also use a humidifier to maintain the ideal moisture levels. Don't forget about your garden tools. Winterize them by cleaning, drying, and storing them properly. This will prevent rust and keep them in top condition for the next gardening season. Remember, when protecting your plants from winter conditions, it's crucial to choose the right techniques for your specific plants and climate. Monitor weather forecasts and adjust your protection methods as needed. By following these simple steps, you can help your plants survive the winter and thrive once spring arrives. Remember, a little care goes a long way. We hope this ultimate winter plant protection guide has been helpful. By using frost cloths, mulching, and windbreaks, you can shield your plants from frost and harsh conditions, ensuring their healthy growth come springtime. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.